Welcome back to Who is ML? Today, we're diving into something seriously cool, Meta GPT, the ultimate app that's about to change the game for us engineering aficionados. Ever found yourself wishing for an entire engineering team at your fingertips? Well, get ready because Meta GPT is here to be your one-stop engineering companion, and I'm about to show you how it's done. Let's kick things off with a bang. You know those times when you're juggling requirements, writing PRDs, architecting, managing projects, coding, and QA? Phew! It's like running a whole software company solo. Because Meta GPT condenses the entire engineering process into one streamlined package. All right, let's get our hands dirty. First things first, Meta GPT GitHub repo. Dive in there to get the scoop. And don't worry, I'll drop a handy link in the description so you can glide right in. Now here's where the magic happens. Check out the Meta GPT diagram. It's like a software orchestra with a conductor, boss, composers, product manager, architects, performers, engineers, and quality checkers, QA, all harmonizing together. And don't forget, the cost is a no-brainer, a few cents to bring this symphony to life. Installation time. But fear not, I won't leave you hanging. Whether you're rocking Windows or swaying with Mac, I've got you covered. First, open the Anaconda console because it's your ticket to a well-organized coding world. Pro tip: if you don't have Anaconda yet, grab it now for easy breezy environment management. Time for some command action. Start by creating a new Anaconda environment like a pro. We're talking conda create n Meta GPT Python =3 11.4. It's the VIP pass to Python awesomeness. Sit back as it collects the cool tools for you. You've just unleashed Meta GPT's magic. Activate your new environment with conda activate Meta GPT. See that Meta GPT in parentheses? That's your superhero cape now. Hold up, before we jump deeper, make sure you've got npm installed. Type npm v to check. Need to get it? No worries, I've got your back. Head to notejs.org, snag the Windows installer and let the magic happen. And Mac folks, you've got Homebrew to the rescue. Just brew install npm. We're on a roll. Next up, installing Mermaid. Just type npm install gmermaidj/mermaidcli. Boom, visuals at your service. Clone time. Grab the repo with git clone, repo URL. Easy peasy. Navigate into the repository with cd Meta GPT. And now the big one. Install all the requirements like a coding wizard. Python m pip install r requirements txt. Almost there. Hit Python setup py install. It's like setting the stage for an epic play. The moment of truth. Create your OpenAI API key. Head to openai.com. Create a new secret key. Let's name it Meta GPT. Copy it. And remember, do not share this with anyone. Visual Studio Code time. Peeps. Open your workspace. Locate config and crack open config WML. Get comfy at line 10 and drop in your API key. Drop the quotes. Feel the power. And for the Open API model, if you've got GPT-4, go wild. If it's GPT 3.5, rock that instead. Hold up, time to hit you with a quick reminder. If you're finding this intriguing, tap that like button, subscribe for more tech adventures, and why not share this video with your coding pals? Now back to our regularly scheduled programming. Ready to bring your project to life? It's showtime. With Python Startup.py, tell Meta GPT what you want. Feeling fancy? Toss in code_review true for some pro-level refinement. Yeah, it's going to cost a tad more. Enter your prompt and watch the magic unfold. That missing module error, no sweat. A quick Python and pip install BS4 sorts it out. Sometimes the unexpected turns are the most thrilling, right? Back on track. Give that Python startup to another world. Witness your requirements, the boss's vision, user stories, and even competitive analysis unfold like the script of a blockbuster. And guess what? You've got PNG and PDF options to flaunt. A little side note, if you're more of a Mac OS crusader, you might spot a small difference here. No worries though, it's just the PDFs playing hide and seek. The PRD info's still there in the PRDMD file. But let's face it, it's the tech magic that counts, am I right? With the code in place, switch back to Visual Studio Code. Yep, it's like our coding playground. And guess what? Your workspace is about to get a new buddy. Click into the CLI Snake Game folder, then main.py, and boom, hit that run button. Brace yourself, you're about to play the CLI Snake Game you asked for. Your coding commands come to life, and suddenly you're in a different league of tech wizardry. By now, you're probably wondering, what's missing in this magical mix? Well, I've got the scoop. Meta GPT's still perfecting the art of iterating existing code. They're cooking up a solution as we speak, so stay tuned for that upgrade. Wrapping up, folks! If you're dreaming of a complete project package, not just code, but that full-throttle competitive analysis, PRD, and more, Meta GPT is your dream come true. I can't recommend it enough. Check it out, explore its potential, and let's bring the coding world to its knees, one project at a time. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and spread the knowledge with your fellow coding comrades. Elevate your tech game